I decided to introduce Jackie Chan to the juvenile chicks. He is usually a sweetheart. And he's been just fine. They're having a little treat, and they're also having their evening meal. And so he came in to share a meal with them. And they've been very interested in him. And he's somewhat mildly interested in them. And he is such a sweet boy. He's good with the flock and has proven to just be an amazing rooster. Good with the people and good with the chicks and chicken. You have to look in here, Daddy, and see something. He does really good with them.
Hi, Jackie. You good boy?
My husband's surprised. This is the first time he's seen it. Levi and I have done it before. Not for very long, though. He's really sweet with them. Now it's the girls you have to watch out for. The hens, man. They will beat up on them. It's funny how hens can be so catty.
He's getting some free food.
Yeah, he was pretty happy about that. Past his feeding time, and he's getting some more food. Roxy is like super interested in him. We let a couple of the ducks come out to free range. Oh, they love it. Biscuit and Mal.
Hi, Mal. Hi, Biscuit.
You always know when Biscuit's excited. She makes that sound. Look at him go. Looking for goodies.
There are lots of bugs in there.
Bumblebee's griping at him from the fence. Bumblebee said, I want out. Look at that sweet shadow shot. Oh, I'm too close. Whoops. Sorry about that. Hi, Mal. Little sweet pea.
Are you a good boy?
What a
Mal?
good boy. Yes, Mal is a good boy. Always.
Look at this.
Always. Mal's been mating Biscuit a lot. He's finally learning. He would have trouble, because Biscuit's kind of big. He would get on Biscuit and then he would fall off. We're free ranging today. Yeah, trying to free range more because these guys act like they're always hungry. They never act full, but I'm told that's what chickens always do. They just seem like they're always starving. And when we let them out to free range more, they seem more satisfied. Hey there, Biscuit. What are you up to? You sweet girl. Tell about how Biscuit laid so many eggs the other day.
Yeah, she laid a clutch of 3 eggs on one day. It was on Sunday.
We think she was storing up some eggs. I don't exactly know how that happens. I was reading about it, but apparently she was kind of like egg bound maybe. But she didn't act funny, and she was doing real well. And we didn't get eggs for a day or two, and then all of a sudden Lily went in to get her one morning and there was 3 eggs, and we were like, whoa. And I know we did not miss eggs because she doesn't have a very deep nest where she sleeps, and she always sleeps in the brooder box at night. And so Mal's crying. He's looking for his lady. There she is. Oh, yay. Well, hello there, Ethel. Hey, Jackie. What you up to? What you up to? Who you got? Well, hi, Optimus. What are you up to? You always know Optimus because she has that crazy look in her eye.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, extreme close-up. How's Optimus today? This is Levi's favorite chicken. He just loves her. Well, guys, I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. And I just wanted to thank you guys. We just went over 250 subscribers. It means so much to us that anybody would be interested in our little channel and in our life. And we count it a joy to be able to share our little homestead with you guys, and it's been so fun posting videos and letting you guys know what we're up to here in Oklahoma and how our new homestead is going. We've only been doing this for a couple of years, and it's very exciting to us, and we want to thank you guys for allowing us to share that with you, and for all the great support and the excitement that you guys have had when you see the things that we're doing, and all the encouragement and love. We're really enjoying the homestead community and all the sweet friends that we've made. You know, what can I say? Thank you guys. We just really appreciate y'all. Have a great day. God bless. And if you don't already subscribe, please do. Bye.